There are concerns about the amount of money being charged for annual fees when a company registers under the Data Protection Act. The issue was raised at Wednesday's Joint Select Committee chaired by Technology Minister Favor Williams. A consultant engaged by the International Telecommunications Union has indicated that it would cost $1.7 billion to set up the Office of Information of Commissioner. Some operational costs could be offset by annual fees paid by companies.
We were advised that the consultant recommended that the Office of the Commissioner focus in the first 3 years of its establishment on medium and large companies. The consultant also estimated an annual registration fee of 12,000 Jamaican dollars for entities.
Well, that's pretty harsh though. I mean, $12,000 is more than it costs to incorporate a company in terms of fees, not statutory fees.
The committee has agreed to look at the fee structure of the company's Office of Jamaica. There was also a suggestion to classify fees based on the type of business, whether micro, small, medium, or large. Under the proposed law, if companies fail to register as data controllers, they may face a fine of up to $2 million or its officers face 6 months in jail.